guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a quick tutorial on how to speed up the process of completing stage 2 of the Rubik's Cube, namely filling in the corner pieces on the top of the Rubik's Cube, which we always use the white for the purposes of this tutorial. So you should have already completed the cross, which I've got a video out there how to speed up that process, along with the full video to show you how to complete the whole cube. So stage 2 is filling in these corner pieces, which are the pieces with 3 colours attached to them. So you can see white, red, green, white, blue, orange, white, blue, red, and white, green, orange. So those are our 4 pieces that should be placed in the top of the cube here. So the first stage on how to complete this is we need to look for a white piece that's facing us in the bottom layer of the cube. So we have one here. So the next thing you need to do is have a look at what's attached to the white. So in this case it's green and orange. What you then need to do is place this corner piece in between the center pieces that relate to that corner piece. So in this case it's orange, green, orange, green. So we rotate one. So we can see, if we imagine there's a line there, we've got orange this side and green here, and that's our orange and green centerpiece, corner piece, sorry. So that's in the perfect position. If it was here, it would be between blue and orange, which is not, because it should be green and orange. And if it's there, it's obviously green and red, which is in the right place. If you put it there, it's in between the orange and green. So that's the only place it can go. So once you have it facing you, have a look where it is. So in this case, it's the bottom right of the cube. And if it's on the bottom right, you need to turn the bottom to the left. So it's the opposite. So if it's facing you on the bottom right, you turn to the left. Then bring the right side down, take it back and lift it up. And there it is. It's in the right corner piece now. So we're starting to fill this top layer out. So next one, have another piece facing us, red and blue. So need to rotate, red, blue. There it is, facing us. It's on the bottom right again. So we move to the left, bring the right side down, bring it back and lift it up, and there it is. It's starting to fill out a bit more. So we have another one facing us, this time orange and blue. So place it in between orange and blue. There it is. It's facing us on the bottom right again, which is a bit of a familiar theme. So it's bottom right, so we move to the left, bring the right down, take it back and lift it up, and there it is. So the only piece left is this piece here, so it's not facing us, so we need to do a bit of extra work. And the way to do that is if you bring one of the sides down that it's on, so in this case it's on the right side of the cube. So you want to bring it down one and then just rotate twice. Then you can lift that side back up, and there it is, it's facing us. So we'll put it in between where it is, so it's green and red, so it's facing us. This time it's on the bottom left, so we'll do the opposite this time. So we'll move it to the right, left side down, bring it back and lift it up, and there it is. You've completed the stage 2, i.e. the first layer of the Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped. All the best.